Hello student, good morning. Today I am going to start exercise 4.4 word problem. You can choose any method to solve the word problem. Students, we have three methods: trial and error method, systematic method, and transposing method. You can choose any method to solve the equation. I prefer transposing method. Okay? Now, question first is set up equation and solve them to find the unknown numbers. A. Add 4 to 8 times a number, you get 60. Add 4 to 8 times a number. Let the required number be x. 8 times a number means 8x. 8 into x. And add 4 to plus 4. You get 60. 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. Question second. 1/5 of a number. 1/5 of a number. 1/5 of number minus 4 gives 3. Okay. So 1/5 x 1 upon 5x minus 4 is equal to 3. See 3/4 of a number and add 3 you get 21. 3/4 3 upon 4x plus 3 is equal to 21. Question number D. 11 subtracted from 2 times a number. 2 times a number 2x minus 11 is equal to 50. You get 50. Okay. Question E. 3x 3 times a number subtracted from 50 you get 8. So 50 minus 3x is equal to 8. And question F. You think a number and add 90 to it, then and divide the sum by 5. So x plus 9 number x and 19, the sum of the number x plus 19 divided by 5 is equal to 8. Now question number G. You think a number x. Question is another things of a number. So things of a number to number x and 5 upon 2 to 5 upon 2x minus 7. Another things of a number if you take सभी 7 from 5 by 2 है ना, by 5 by 2 of a number. So 5 by 2 x minus 7 is equal to 23. And how to solve? 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. So you can transfer plus 4 to right hand side. So transposing 4 to right hand side, it becomes minus 4. Plus 4 becomes minus 4. 8x is equal to 60 minus 4, 56. X is equal to 56 upon 8. Transfer 8 to right hand side. Okay. It becomes 56 upon 8. X is equal to 7. If you put 7 in place of x, 8 7 ja 56 and 56 plus 4 60. You can also check the answer. Now f x plus 90 upon 5 is equal to 8. X plus 19 is equal to 8 into 5. You have to transfer 5 to right hand side. Change sign will be changed. Division change into multiplication. X plus 19 is equal to 8 into 5. X plus 90 8 5 ja 40. X plus 19 is equal to 40. X is equal to plus 9 becomes minus 19. X is equal to 40 minus 90. So x is equal to x is equal to 21. So 21 is the solution of given equation. Okay. If you put 21 in place of x, so 19 plus 21 is equal to 40. So 40 upon 5, 8. So you get the answer. Okay. Now, students, you have to read the question very carefully and form the equation, then solve it using any method. Now, question number 2. Now, question number 2, solve the following. Second A, the teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in a class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score? Lowest score, you have to find the lowest score. So, unknown quantity is lowest score. Let the lowest marks or score be x. Okay. As per question, lowest marks twice students in a class is twice the lowest marks, means 2 into x plus 7 and the highest score is 87. So 2x plus 7 is equal to 87. This is the equation of this statement. Okay. Now we can solve it by transposition method. 2x is equal to 87 minus 7 plus 7 becomes minus 7 if transpose plus 7 to right hand side. 2x is equal to 80. Now x is equal to 80 upon 2, x is equal to 40. So lowest score is 40. Okay. Now question number 3rd. B. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than 3 times Lakshmi's age. What is Lakshmi's age? Let Lakshmi's age be x. Now as per questions, 3 times Lakshmi's age, so 3x. 4 year older, so plus 4 is equal to 49 because his father is 49. So equation 3x plus 4 is equal to 49. 3x is equal to 49 minus 4 plus 4 becomes minus 4 if we transpose plus 4 to right hand side. Okay. Now 3x is equal to 45. X is equal to 45 upon 3 transpose 3 to right hand side. So 3 15 ja 45. So Lakshmi's age will be 15 years. Okay. Now question number 4. Solve the following riddle. I am a number. Let the number be x. Let the number be x. Tell my identity. Take me 7 times over. 7 times over means 7x. 7 into x. 8 and add 50 plus 50. To reach a triple century, you still need 40. Triple century, 300 minus 40. You still need 40 means minus 40. 7x plus 50 is equal to 260. Now 7x is equal to 260 minus 50 plus 50 becomes minus 50. 7x is equal to 210. Now x is equal to 210 upon 7. 7 1s are 7 3 7 0 okay 30. So x is equal to 30. So unknown number is 30. Students, you can solve some more questions from your textbook. So practice it, and if you have any problems about this exercise, you can ask me. Okay.